going down one after the other. It's getting gruesome out there. Go, Charlie! Is this the greatest thing? Oh! 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 No, it's a sombrero. It's a sombrero, not a wheel. It's just a sombrero. Chabina's poncho saved his life. He falls down. That's the first time I've ever seen him in a different hat.
Yeah, last time. Did you see him last time when he had that alcohol burning bike and it was on pavement? He was sliding around corners and he duffed. He fucking ended.